Hello everyone, I, Dr. Vinod Kushwaha, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Hindustan College of Science and Technology, Farai Mathura. Today, I am going to deliver an important topic of wave mechanics, which is known as Schrodinger time-dependent wave equation. I delivered previous lecture Schrodinger time-independent wave equation. Now, I am explain time-dependent Schrodinger wave equation. This equation is, in a system, the potential energy depends on time. So, the total energy is time dependent. The corresponding difference equation is called Schrodinger time dependent wave equation. Now, the differential equation with 1D wave motion, the equation is del square psi upon del y square equal to 1 upon v square del square psi upon del t square. This is equation number first. If I solve the equation, the general solution of this equation the general solution is y equal to a e की power minus I omega t minus x upon v. A monochromatic wave equivalent to free particle moving along x direction. So, the equation is psi x comma t equal to a e की power minus I omega t minus x upon v. Now solve the equation. Now the equation is psi x comma t equal to a e minus I omega t minus x upon v. Now the solve the equation, then omega equal to 2 pi nu and nu equal to v into lambda. Nu equal to v into lambda. No, this is the wrong. V equal to nu into lambda. Okay, so omega equal to 2 pi nu and v equal to nu into lambda. V equal to c lambda. If material particle velocity is v, so v equal to nu into lambda. Nu is the frequency of wave and lambda is the wavelength. So the value of omega put in this equation. Then psi x comma t equal to a e की power minus I 2 pi nu t minus x upon v. Now psi x comma t equal to a e की power minus 2 pi I nu into t minus x upon v. V equal to nu into lambda. Now psi equal to x comma t a e की power t minus 2 pi I omega t nu t minus x nu upon v. Then value of nu put in this equation, nu equal to v upon lambda. So psi x comma t equal to a e की पावर माइनस 2 पाई आई न्यू कॉमा टी माइनस एक्स न्यू इक्वल टू v upon lambda into v. This v is cancelled. So the equation is psi x comma t equal to a e की पावर माइनस 2 पाई आई न्यू टी माइनस x upon lambda. We know that the energy of wave equal to h nu, equal to h nu, and nu equal to e by h and lambda equal to h upon p. So the value of nu and lambda put in above equation. The equation is psi x comma t equal to a e की पावर माइनस 2 पाई आई, the value of nu et upon h minus x, the value of lambda h into p. So the equation is psi x comma t equal to a e की पावर माइनस 2 पाई आई upon h et minus px. This is equation number 2, and I explain previous equation. Del square y, del square psi upon del y square equal to 1 upon v square del square psi upon del t square. This one is equation number 1, and another one is equation number 2, and this one is equation number 3. Now in the time dependent equation, I differentiate partially twice times of equation number 3 with respect to x. X is the position and t is the time. Now I differentiate the equation number 3 partially twice time with respect to x. So del square psi upon del x square equal to a e की पावर माइनस 2 पाई आई upon h et minus px. Then again differentiation, the equation is minus p 2 pi minus p 2 pi I upon h, 2 pi I upon h into p square. So this is the twice time differentiation. Del square psi upon del x square a e की power, this is the constant terms, a e की power minus 2 pi et minus px. Next minus p and another one, then p 2 pi I upon h. So we write the equation minus 4, this is square, 2 pi I upon h square p square. Okay, or we can write p 2 pi I p upon h. Now 4 pi square I square upon h square, 4 pi square I square upon h square into p square. This is the equation. 4 pi square upon h square I square equal to minus 1. Then we can evaluate 2 times. So this is 1 minus this and minus x minus p. So plus I square equal to minus 1. So the equation is 4 pi square upon h square into p square. Now evaluate the value of p square and another one psi. Now the value of p square equal to minus 1 upon psi h square upon 4 pi square del square psi upon del x square. This one is equation number 4. Now again differential equation 3 with respect to t. This is the time dependent equation. So I differentiate not at 2 times, only single time. This is t. So I differentiate this equation, del psi upon del t equal to a e की power minus 2 pi I upon h et minus px. This is first time differential, and e की power minus and e minus 2 pi I upon h. So I can write it minus 2 pi I upon h into e or another function psi. Minus 2 pi I upon h into e psi. Now I calculate the value of e, and again calculate the value of e. The value of e equal to minus 1 upon psi h upon 2 pi I, 1 upon psi h upon 2 pi I del psi upon del t. Now if I multiply I in upper side and I in lower side, this is I square and this one is minus I, and del psi upon del t. I square equal to minus 1, so this one and this one, and the value is I h, and the value is e equal to I h upon 2 pi del psi upon del t. This is the value of e, I h upon 2 pi del psi upon 2t, I h upon 2 pi and 1 upon psi. This is the equation. Next equation. This equation is equation number 5. Now the total energy E is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. We know that total energy in non-relativistic case, then E equal to total energy Ke plus P. In non-relativistic case, that is E equal to half mv square plus capital V. Capital V is the potential energy and small v is the velocity of particle. So we evaluate the equation. I write the equation E equal to P square upon 2m plus capital V. The value of E and P square put in this equation. We also calculate the value of E and previous p square. So the value is 1 upon psi IH upon 2 pi del psi upon del t equal to the value of p square. Write down the value of p square. P square equal to minus 1 upon psi h square upon 4 pi square del square psi upon del x square. This is the value of p square. So the put the value of p square 1 upon psi. The value of minus 1 upon psi h square upon 4 pi square del square psi upon del x square and 1 upon 2m plus v. We evaluate the value of psi. So I write the equation IH upon 2 pi del psi upon del t equal to IH upon 2 pi h square upon 4 to the 8 pi square m 8 pi square m del square psi upon del x square plus v psi. So I write the equation minus terms 1 upon psi equal to IH also 1 upon psi and this one is 1 upon psi plus v psi. We can evaluate the equation. The equation is 1 upon psi IH upon 2 pi del psi upon del t minus h square upon 8 pi square m 1 upon psi del square psi upon del x square plus v psi. If evaluate the value of psi, then this psi and this psi equal to v psi. Now this is the x direction equation. If any particle move in 3 dimension, the equation is IH upon 2 pi del psi upon del t equal to minus h square upon 8 pi square m operator square psi plus v psi. Operator square equal to del square upon del x square plus del square upon del y square and del square upon del z square. Now the value of h cut equal to h upon 2 pi. So evaluate the value of h cut in this equation and solve the equation of time dependent Schrodinger wave equation. Now dear one, the h cut equal to h upon 2 pi. I evaluate the equation h cut upon h cut, the value of h cut. So the value is I h cut del psi upon del t equal to minus h cut square upon 2m, h cut square upon 2m del square psi plus v psi. H cut square upon 2m del square psi upon del square psi plus v psi. This is equation IH del psi upon del t equal to minus h cut square upon 2m del square plus v psi. This is time dependent Schrodinger wave equation. Dear friend, you understand this equation? If any query, please write the question in my comment box. So thank you so much. Okay.